Hello there, welcome to a tyke farming in the Philippines. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, ding-a-ling-ding-dong the bell. It's Friday morning, 6:30, no one on site at the minute, we'll be in any time. I will be going down Denau this morning, a couple of bits and pieces, mostly rice and grits and one or two other things. I shouldn't be long this morning, so it won't be too bad. It's overcast, it's cool, it's very nice. So as usual, I'll make 2 or 3 videos throughout the day. The Wi-Fi is on and working properly at last, so life's a bit easier and you can catch up on the news and one thing and another. It was a frayed wire going to the sari shop with the wind, it's worn it through. The wires are just strung from tree to tree here, so it's a constant problem. So we'll leave it there and I'll get back to you shortly. A quick look at the pigs. Some are up and about, some are still sleeping. So back on the fence today, marching up the hill now, finishing. Yeah, the finish line is in sight, so we'll leave it there. It's 12 o'clock just turned. Heavy rain this last 3/4 of an hour. A thunderstorm going through. We've just had a thunderclap right above us, which is a bit exciting or a bit frightening depending on your disposition. Jean wasn't very happy with it, but we're smoking again. These storms coming through are really hindering us. So I won't go down and see what we've done this morning. If we've dug any more holes, we'll be full of water, that's for sure. But hopefully maybe end of lunch hour, 1 o'clock, 1:30, it'll fine up and we'll be able to get something done this afternoon. But maybe not. Not a lot you can do in this weather. So I'll leave it there for now, and we'll do another video later this afternoon. So it's 5 o'clock, we'll make a concluding video. It's fine, the sun's out even. Lot of rain, lot of heavy rain at lunchtime. I don't know, 1:30, no, 2:30 maybe. So we're all washed out, pigs are fed. We're butchering a pig tomorrow, which is this one, and maybe a second one. Depends on if we get a lot of orders or just a few orders, we'll just do the one. Now we've heard there's someone else butchering a pig on Sunday up the mountain. So we haven't got it to us south. We've got to compete a little bit. I'm looking for the post. While it was raining, they made up the last post. Not played on the bugle, the last post which is going in the ground. So it must be up the bank, I think. So that tree stump's got to come out before the post can be put in. With 1, 2, can't remember, 3, 4 posts. I think we had 4 posts yesterday. I'm not sure now. But they're in the ground, braced up, ready for concreting. The one down there, them tree roots have to come out to get that post in. And this one's put in. And that's braced up, ready for concreting. So that's the last post. We're going to have a very short panel here. And a short panel there. It said 8 feet. They're normally 10. So yeah, we haven't, apart from bracing up, I think there was 2 braced up yesterday evening. So there's 2 more braced up, with 1 put in, with another Rio bar put up, which they did inside the piggery when it was raining. But not a great deal of progress today because of the weather, which is quite frustrating, but there's nothing you can do. And we are getting there. Now tomorrow we maybe won't be working on the fence. We're butchering a pig in the afternoon. The 2 fellas are going out to see if they can get orders tomorrow morning after they've cleaned the pigs out. And I've no doubt they'll be getting orders this evening, just talking to people around where they live. I know Wynne will be for definite. So if they come in the morning and we've got a fair few orders, I'll let them go out again to see if they can get any more. But if we've got a fair few orders, then I'll say to them, we'll do 2 pigs, 1 before lunch and 1 after lunch. If there's not so many orders, then we'll just do the 1 pig. We've got plenty of room in the freezer now. We've still got a bit of pork in the freezer, but not a great deal. So this morning I went down to now, I think I mentioned it. Bits and pieces, but mostly we got 6 bags of rice. We wanted 4 bags of grits. We could only get 1 bag of grits. Where we normally buy the rice from, he was out of stock until tomorrow. Is the truck coming tomorrow? So there's a shortage of rice in now this morning. But we managed to get 6 bags at the stall on the market for the same price. And we bought some more black dustbins to get the chicken feed and pig feed out of the bags and off the floor. So we'll leave this video there, and I'll make another one tomorrow.